Hello, my name is Jared White, and today I'm going to show you how to search for Novelist. It's a database that you can search all sorts of books. And first we'll start out on the UNCG website. So it starts with an N. So first we'll go to N. And then since it's a university website, there's a whole lot of databases and we have to scroll almost all the way down to the bottom. And on here it's called Novelist Plus. And it's a subscription that the library has to pay for, so you have to sign in with your library information. But I think most of you will probably be using a public library, so I'll take you to our library databases. And then it's our library website, and then I went to databases under the resources tab, and then you click on in, and then you just click on Novelist. And I already signed in a little bit ago, so I don't have to do that again. So you can see there's all sorts of ways you can search. But I'm going to start with a advanced search in just a minute. You can search for fiction, nonfiction, adult, teen, and different ages. You can search for books that you're in the mood for. And you can create your own appeal mixer. Browse genres, featured read-alikes. And if you click on teen, you can see all different sorts of categories that you can click on. But like I said before, we're going to do an advanced search. There's all different sorts of search parameters that you can put in place. Like you can look up then by the author's nationality or their cultural identity. You can do different types of levels. First, I'm going to put in grief as my word, and then I'm going to have that as my subject. But you can do author, title, all sorts of different things. Genre, subject is what I want. Then I'm looking for a teen audience and fiction. And we'll see what that gets us. Okay, that brought up a whole lot of results. But you can see that it's going back quite a few years. So I'm going to change that to start at 2010. Then we'll update results. And that brings up 486. Still a lot of books, but more manageable. So you can see it's linked to Goodreads. And I don't pay too much attention to the popularity because that's how popular it is on this website. And earlier I saw a title was interesting. Each listing will give you a little bit of information about the book and read-alikes and author read-alikes. I'm going to scroll down to this result. You notice down on the bottom it says check availability, but once we go in, you can actually see view copies, and the check availability and the view copies is linked to your library website. So if you click that, you can go to your own library catalog and it shows you what copies are available. This particular one is available at my library as an ebook and also as a paper book. And it even tells you what branches it's available at. So this has the short description at the top again, but then if you scroll down, it also has different book reviews. And on the right side, we'll have read-alikes. And since this is a single book, it will have book read-alikes, but if you're in a series, it will have series read-alikes, or if you're on an author page, it will have author read-alikes. And you can look at audiobooks and different information. And down at the bottom, you can search for more, and you can choose different subjects. But I'm going to search for greed and guilt and see what that brings up. So that brings up 122 titles. Okay, but sometimes you just need a break book. Something to try to escape reality for a little bit and get your mind on something else. So we'll go to the home page, and I'm going to try my own appeal mixer. There's lots of different categories you can choose from. I'm going to go with character, and I like quirky characters. I'm a little quirky. You can choose the pace of the book, but I'm going to go with storyline, character driven. And remember, we are looking for a funny book, so I'm going to choose my tone as funny. And whoops, I forgot to switch over to teen. Okay, so we'll put those in again. Character driven, and the tone was funny. Find results. There's 24, so you can scroll over and it gives you a description of the book. But none of these really look interesting, so I'm going to keep on scrolling until this one sounds a bit interesting, and this one does as well. I think I'm going to go with this. And once you get into the title, it has the brief description again. And the book reviews, and that's it. I hope you find your next good read. Thanks for watching.